Okay, first thing, I know this means so much to you that I started it, but it was never the reason. You know that. I mean, I never thought that it will grow like this. And like right now, when I see Instagram, I'm like, oh my god, so many pages, and oh, it's too much. But sometimes I feel that maybe, I mean, they are like really young. So even I feel concerned, like, because I get to talk to them. And second thing, okay,
Breathe.
I just forgot.
Breathe, Prachi, breathe.
I can't believe this is happening. I mean, like, trust me, when I posted that picture of the temple yesterday, oh my god.
While you're talking to me, I want to say thank you also to Tanya who is the running basis girl. Tanya, I have to say thank you for all those songs that you sing and sing.
I want to show you something. I made this last year.
I know, you've been sending me these pictures. I
can't.
I know. I have them all.
There's one more thing. I mean, I can't show you. No, okay. No. This is not for Instagram. This I will post one day. I know when. Happy birthday.
Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Adnan, thank you. You're also sending me lots of love. So Adnan, thank you so much. And so many people I have to thank. What I'm going to try and do is, I will try and come live again today. For all those who missed having a conversation, we'll try and do a lot more live chats. But my first one would have had to be you. So thank you. And thank you for always loving me unconditionally, Prachi. I know it, that there's no condition in that love. And you're a beautiful soul. God bless you. Thank you so much for that.
If I'm not on Instagram, if I'm like, I am going to disappear. But just want to say that no matter what, I mean, I have weighed everything, and I know that what it is for you, it feels so real. Like yesterday, I was talking to a friend. I just said that when this became like this, I mean, oh my god, it just doesn't feel real. But you know, when I see your pictures, I feel something very weird.
You feel something weird?
Weird, like beautiful weird. I mean, oh my god, you don't remember this? So this picture, this one, you posted when I was in 10th standard for my exams.
You were in and I see at that time?
Yes. The first time you replied me, I was in 9th when you retweeted my tweet, and I didn't know what Twitter was. Oh my god. And I open your folders, and I just get lost, like, oh my god, 2-3 hours just go away. There was one more thing I wanted to say, but I don't remember it now.
It's okay. It's okay.
There is one thing, okay, not now, like, just I'll send you one DM, abhi nahi, and sometime, just please.
The DM bhara hua hai. The reason
that's
coming live is also because there are a lot of messages pending over there.
Hi, she's my sister.
Hi. Thank you. Hi. Thank you for your wishes.
There was one more time I told you about her. Okay.
Everyone's okay. Everyone's healthy at home now.
Mama is much better now. She's much better now. She's recovering. It'll take time, but she's much better.
Please do give her my regards and tell her I said thank you for appreciating the clothes always. Tell her thank you.
I told her about that, I told her that way, and she was so happy. She was telling everyone that, you replied to her and all these things. She was so happy. She's right now kind of busy, otherwise I would have asked her to come.
Please ask her to rest, get well soon, and may you all be healthy always. Since there are a lot of people, I am going to take a break now from this, and I just want to say thank you to everyone else as well. So thank you. God bless you.
Thank you. I look terrible.
Again live in the evening. If I come in the evening again, then I think I will speak to all the fan pages, all the girls who are running the fan pages. I'm going to try and say hello to everybody. We have to be a little shorter, so we'll try and do that. But you deserve all the time, so I'm giving this one to you.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much for doing this. I have like a million things to say, and I don't know what to say. Just thank you for doing this. It's your birthday, and I mean, you just... I feel so bad that I couldn't do anything this once, but
you have done it every year without fail. Prakashi every year without fail and without me ever asking for it. And I just want to say thank you so much.
This will
I
never
have
change.
not been able to respond and appreciate all the hard work you guys put in. And the person who started it is you. You have destroyed everything.
This was never the intention. Okay, just take care of yourself. I just want to say, just give yourself time. It's okay if you don't come. Trust me, your kids are like, really, they understand. And even if they
I know
don't,
they
you
do,
just.
and I also know that since I don't reply to all of them, they think I don't see their videos. I see every video. I see everyone's hard work. I love you all, and I just want to say that it's very strange for me to come live and have a conversation and to reply.
This is the
amount of
first
love
time.
that comes in, I can't manage to reply to everybody. So this is my way of saying thanks.
This is the first time, this is the first time in all these years. Yeah, you joined Instagram in 2014, I remember.
Bapre.
And I joined in January. Oh my God! Thank you so much for doing
Thank you.
this.
God
Just
bless
take
you,
care of
Prachi.
yourself. Yeah.
Give my love and regards to everyone at home. God bless.
Thank you. Just take care of yourself. Happy birthday. Happy
Thank you.
birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you.
All right, bye.
Bye.